Alright, here we are with our 05 International, and we got the compressor fixed. I'm just going to start everything up and show you that everything's working. Alright, we got our PTO switch. You can hear it kick in. You probably can't hear it kick in. You see the lights. We'll turn on the work lights and strobe lights. Now we'll go out back. Here, the chassis is turning, letting me bump up the RPMs. Gotta go up to 1200 RPMs. There we go. See the PTO's working. We'll go out back. I think you already seen that the lift gate does work. But we'll just make sure that you know that it does work. Now, you got the air pressure up to 150 your hours. This is the oil temperature, so it's down low right now because it just started up. The one thing would be the fittings on the end. You'll probably have to change those because they look pretty weathered. Unless you lube them up. We got our lights on. The strobe lights flashing. So everything is working. I'm going to email this to you. You can have a look at it and then we can make arrangements if it looks good to you. Thanks, Junior.